Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute Manifest Your Dreams meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back, with your hands on your knees facing upwards to receive all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel free to lay flat on your back with your legs and arms spread out if this is more comfortable for you. Let's take a deep inhale in through your nostrils, and with a big sigh, exhale it all out through your mouth. Allow your body to find its natural rhythm and just breathe. Think about all of the beautiful, positive, and valuable things that you want to manifest in your life right now. Anything that you are dreaming of achieving or receiving, we invite you to personify the greatness in your life. Place your hands in prayer mode and then bring them and this positive energy to the forefront of your crown. Inhale for 5 seconds through your nostrils, inflating the positive energy. Hold at the top for 3 seconds. And on your exhale, sigh out all of the energy, allowing the power of manifestations to surround your aura. Breathe here naturally. Continue to envisage the future that you want for yourself and what you will do to get there. Bring your prayer hands from your crown to your mouth. We invite you to speak life into yourself, welcoming positive words and communication that will reflect empathy, emotional intelligence, and full control of your emotions. Inhale for 5 seconds through your nostrils, inflating the positive energy. Hold at the top for 3 seconds. Then on your exhale, sigh out all of the energy, allowing the power of manifestations to surround your aura. Breathe here naturally. While catching your natural rhythm, be willing to engage in meaningful conversations and acquire knowledge that is substantial and will assist in remaining positive, productive, and peaceful in all that you do. Bring your hands from your mouth to your heart. We invite you to love yourself wholeheartedly as you trust the process and show yourself grace through this journey in life. Inhale for 5 seconds through your nostrils, inflating the positive energy. Hold at the top for 3 seconds. And on your exhale, sigh it all out, all of the energy, allowing the power of manifestations to surround your aura. Allow your breathing to take over as your body while catching your natural rhythm. Open your heart and accept what is rightfully yours in this lifetime, and not feeling guilty or ashamed for moving at your own divine time. Let's take 3 rounds of deep breaths as we relax our mind, freeing it of any fear or reluctance as you settle into all that you have manifested. If it is comfortable for you, place one hand over your heart and one over your stomach. Take a deep inhale in through your nostrils, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. 2 more times. Another deep inhale in through your nostrils. Feel your chest and stomach expand and release the tension to assist in embracing the dreams that you envisioned. Then exhale out through your mouth with a deep sigh out. One last time. Take one deep inhale in both nostrils Then exhale it out with a deep sigh. All right, beautiful beings, as we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, and peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am manifesting all of my dreams to live the life that I want and deserve. I am optimistic. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power. And I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you. Ashe. Now, if you prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken the body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and toes, close your mouth and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side in a fetal position. Stay here for a moment and then place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this Manifest Your Dreams meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.